નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will study the question number 1 of exercise 2.6. This is the topic of under 8, chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. So what is the question? Question here is, we have to solve the given equations. So the first question is, we have given like this, 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Okay, so let us first of all solve this linear equation. So what we have to see, this 3x here is in denominator. So we have to take this 3x here right hand side, so it will multiply with 2. So the first step is, we can write down that 8x minus 3 is equals to 2 will multiply with 3x. Okay, so let us now multiply here. We get 8x minus 3 is equals to 3 to the 6x. Okay, now from here, this is now simplified in the form like the equation which has both the sides of the variables. This kind of the sums we have already solved. So now, what we have to do now? Take this 3x to the left hand side and this minus 3 to the right hand side. So we get 8x, this 6x, its signs we get here negative, and this 3, here it is negative. If we take it right hand side, it will become positive. Okay, so now 8x minus 6x, that is 2x, and that is equals to b. Now it is again simpler form. We have to take to the right hand side. We get x is equals to 3 upon 2. Because this is in multiplication, we have to take into the denominator, into the division. And that is what, this is the answer. So the value of x here it is 3 upon 2. Isn't it easy? Yes. Let us solve the question number 2. Question number 2 is 9x upon 7 minus 6x, and the total here it is 50. 1 by 50. Okay, same method here we have to see. Whenever we have this kind of the situation, when total denominator here it is, we can take this term in the multiplication with here. Whatever the constant or the variables here, we have to multiply this both the terms to this side. Okay. See, here there is only one term 3x, but here there are two terms 7 and minus 6x. So just we have to put the bracket like this. 9x is equals to 15. 7 minus 6x. See, we use here the bracket, right? Why we use the bracket? Because 7 and 6x both we have to multiply with 50. Keep this thing in mind, okay? Do not just multiply 15 with 7 or just with 15 with minus 6x, okay? Okay. Now here it is 9x is equals to, here we have to multiply 15 with 7. 15 7 we get 105, and minus 15 6 it is 9090 into x. Okay. Now it is again simplified in this form like this. See. Okay. So collect all the terms with the variable x to the left hand side, constant to the right hand side. So what does constants is only 105, it is already at the right hand side. So take this 90 here, you get 9x plus 90x is equals to 105. Okay, now we can add both this term because both have the same variable x. So 90 plus 9, that is 99x is equals to 105. Now we have to take 90 here, we get x is equals to 105 on 99. So is this final answer? No. See, both have the common factor 3. So first of all we have to cancel the common factor. So we get, if we divide this with 3, what we get? 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. And if we cut here with the 3, what we get? 3 3s are 9. So what is the remainder? 1 and 5 15. 3 5 are 15. So our final answer is 35 upon 33. This is the final answer here. That is the value of x. Okay. So this is how to solve question number 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y, and that is equals to minus 2 upon 5. Let us see how to solve this. See, here both the sides, numerator and denominator. So here we have to do one kind of the cross multiplication like this. This 5 here in the denominator, if we take here left hand side from the division, it will be in the multiplication with the numerator. Okay? In the same way, this 2 minus 6y here, this side in the division, we have to take this term here in the multiplication with minus 2. So how the things will work? See, 5 we have to take here, but it will multiply both 3y and 4. So here we have to take one of the bracket. So we now put down like this 3y plus 4. In the same way, these two terms will multiply with minus 2. So here also we have to put the bracket like this 2 minus 6y. Okay. Now multiply this 5 with the 15y plus 5 fours are 20. Minus 2 to the minus 4, minus plus 2 6 are 12y. See, here we are using the distributive property, okay? Because we are distributing multiplication over subtraction. Here also we are using the distributive property, distribution of multiplication over addition. Okay? Now collect all the terms with the y variable, that is variable is y to the left hand side and also constant to the right hand side. So take this 12y here, we get 15y as it is, 12y is positive, now it will become negative. Ready? Okay? 12y that is equals to minus 4 as it is, this 20 positive. If we take here, the sign gets changed, minus 15 minus 12 that is py. And here we get minus 4 minus 24, 20 that is minus 24. Okay, now take this 3, we get y is equals to minus 24 upon, it is 3. We can cut it, 3 8s are 4, 3 8s are 24. So we get final answer y is equals to minus 8. So this is how to solve this kind of the equation when this kind of the situations you have given. But keep in mind, whenever this denominator is up to here only, if it is given that 3y upon 2 minus 6y, but 4 is it, there is no division for the plus 4 here. If the denominator is not for this, it is not for the plus 4, then we cannot take this 2 minus 6y here. So first of all, you have to see that there is a denominator for both the numerators. This is the common denominator for both the numerators. Then only we can take this term to the right hand side. Understand? Okay. Now, same question, question number 5. It is 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equals to minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so here, same thing we have to apply, same thing is that, same situation. Take this 3 here in the multiplication with 7y plus 4 and this y plus 2 will multiply with minus 4. So minus 4 in the bracket y plus 2. Okay, now multiply 3 7s are 21 y plus 3 4s are 12. Okay, minus 4 into y, that is minus 4y, minus plus minus 4 to the 8. Now, same method, take all the, collect all the terms with variable y here and constant to the right hand side. So we get 21y plus 4y is equals to minus 8. This term will also become minus, that is minus 12. 21 plus 4, 25y is equals to minus 20. See, both have the negative sign, so we have to add 12 plus 8, 20. But the sign we have to take the of the negative sign. Okay? So now take this 25 right hand side, we get y is equals to minus 20 upon 25. Is this final answer? No, this is not final answer. We have to cancel the common factors. Okay. What is the common factor here? Yes, 5. 5 fours are and 5 5. Okay. So the final answer y is equal to minus 4 upon 5. This is the final answer. Okay, so this is the exercise number 2.6, question number 1 to 5 we have solved here. So keep in mind, whenever this kind of a situation is there, we have to do the cross multiplication. 3 will multiply with this and this denominator will multiply with this. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.